Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to see your watch history on TikTok. First, go on your profile section and then select the three dots icon on your right upper side. Then select settings and privacy. After that, you have more options, but you need to choose manage account. Now as you can see here, the options on your screen are not for watching your history. Go back and then select privacy. After that, here as you can see, the personalization and data has a download your data option, and go and click on that. After that, you'll need to make a request for that requesting data to getting your watching history on TikTok. But make sure that you go on a TXT size format. Go on request data then, and you'll need to wait for 5 or 4 days to getting back for the request that you have made it on this day. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and see you soon.